Peace. Welcome back to the Absolute Boss Collective. You're tuned in to another episode of the $500 Challenge. In this video, I have 27 option trades to share with you. Okay? Before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button real quick. Turn on your post notifications so you can be in tune with the God. And leave me your questions and comments if you want to get down with this game of trading stocks and options. And without further ado, we're going to get right into it. Okay, starting it off, the outlier is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. I have 3 trades that I placed on Apple. Okay, I had the 134 call. I was in that trade at 223.51, out at 254.48 for a profit of $30.97 or 13.85%. I had the 624 135 call at 321.51, out at 399.48 for a profit of $77.97 or 24.25%. I have the 624 134 call in that trade at 328.51, out at 399.48 for a profit of $70.97 or 21.60%. Where are you making 20% on your money in one day? Okay, moving on, I have 10 trades on the NASDAQ, ticker symbol QQQ. Okay, I had the highest dollar gain, $618.95. Highest percent gain, 160.97%. Lowest dollar gain, $42.97. Lowest percent gain, 10.49%. If you take all of the 10 trades, my average gain was $213.56. This is all off of $500, okay? Moving on to the best of the bunch. I have 14 trades on the SPY, SPY, okay? I had the highest dollar gain of $682.95 off of $500. Highest percent gain, $138.67%. Lowest dollar gain, $25.97. Lowest percent gain, 6.26%. If you take all 14 trades, the average was 124.68. So let's add up the 3 Apple trades, the 10 NASDAQ trades, and the 14 SPY trades. You get a grand total of $4,061.04, or, wait for it, 812% on $500. I am a living testament that anyone can do it. I came up out the mud, okay? And I want to share that knowledge with all of you people out there in YouTube land. So if you're interested in finding a way to earn extra income for yourself, or to even replace your current income stream, get at me. Hit me in the comments. Let's make this happen. Make sure that you sign up for my $500 challenge. We're giving away $500 when this channel reaches 1,000 subscribers. This is your brother in trading and investing, Absolute Truth Allah, signing out for the Absolute Boss Collective on the day of victory. Peace.